Hello students, in this video I will do few questions of conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let us take question number 3, exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Question number 3. Question number 3 is convert into an improper fraction. Let us take first part 3 whole 2 by 3. Now in this case, this question is of the form of QR upon D. So it will be equal to 3 into 3 plus 2. This 3 into this 3 and then plus 2 divided by 3, and it is coming out to be 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 upon 3, that is equal to 11 upon 3. Now this 11 upon 3 is in improper fraction. Let us take one more example. It is fifth part. Fifth part is 12 whole 7 upon 8. So it will be equal to 12 into 8. 12 into 8 plus 7 divided by 8. So it will be equal to 8 2s are 16. 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9. 96 plus 7 upon 8. So it will be equal to 96 plus 7 is 103 upon 8. So like this we can convert mixed fractions into improper fraction. This part is called the whole part and this part is called the proper fraction. After this, question number 4. Let us take few parts of question number 4. It is mixed fraction and you have to convert, it is improper fraction and you have to convert it in mixed fraction. So it is 102 upon 8. So what we will do? First of all, we will divide 102 by 8. So 102, when you will divide by 8, we will get 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 2 and write this 2 here. So 8 2s are 16. Now 22 minus 16 is 6. It is quotient, it is a remainder and it is divisor. So always we write it of the form of a quotient, remainder upon divisor. So 12 whole 6 by 8. 12 is quotient, 6 is remainder, 8 is a divisor. So this form we call it QR upon D. Quotient, remainder upon divisor. So quotient, remainder upon divisor. Let us take one more example of this question number 4. Let us take 64 upon 7. It is the fourth part, 64 upon 7. Now 64 we will divide by 7. 9 7s are 63. So 1, it is quotient, remainder upon divisor. So it is equal to quotient is 9, remainder is 1, divisor is 7. You can check your answer by multiplying, as we have converted this form in this form. So 9 7s are 63 plus 1, 64 upon 7. Now let us do question number 5, and question number 5 is to express each of the following groups of unlike fractions into that of like fractions. It is question number 5 and fractions are 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 7 upon 12, 9 upon 16, 13 upon 24. Now to convert these in like fractions, what we have to do? We will convert these into equivalent fractions. Means we will make the denominator the same. How we can? By taking LCM. LCM of 3, 4, 12, 16, 24 is equal to, we have to find LCM. LCM of 3, 4, 12, 16, 24. So LCM of this, we always start dividing by the lowest prime number. So 3, 2, 6, 8, 12. By 2 again, 3, 1, 3, 4, 6. by 2 again, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, by 2 again, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Now all are 3, so we will divide by 3. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So it is coming out to be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 4s are 48. So 48 is the LCM. Now what we will do, in the denominator of each fraction we will make a 48. Now you have to pay attention here. How we can do it? That you have to see. It is 2 by 3. We need here 48. What you have to do? If you multiply 3 by 16, you will get 48. So numerator and denominator we have to multiply by 16. So it will be equal to 2 upon 3 into 16 upon 16. Like this we convert them into equivalent fractions. So 16 2s are 32 and 16 3s are 48. Next is a 3 by 4. We need here 48. It means we have to multiply 4 by 12 and 3 by 12. So 3 by 4 into 12 upon 12 is equal to 36 upon 48. After this, now we will take the other fractions. 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12 we need 48. So multiply by 4. 7 4s are 28 and 12 4s are 48. Next is 9 upon 16. 9 upon 16 into 3 by 3 will be 27 upon 48. Next is 13 upon 24. So 13 upon 24 into 2 by 2 is equal to 26 upon 48. Now if you see, all these fractions or equivalent fractions have same denominator. So whenever the denominator is same, so these are called like fractions. Thank you.